Hi, this is Anthony McNamara, Phillips Chevrolet of Frankfurt, #1 Chevy dealership in Illinois. I'm here with Brett Muller. He's just purchased a brand new Silverado from me. He's leasing it from Kalamazoo, Michigan, is that right?
Correct.
How was your experience with us today?
Oh, it was fantastic. Couldn't have gone any better.
Great. It took a while, but we got there.
Oh, we're here.
Would you recommend your friends and family to us?
Oh, absolutely. Definitely.
You heard it from Brett. This is Anthony McNamara, Phillips Chevrolet. See you next time. Cheerio.